Hello everyone, this is Sam with the Crown of Creators. Today I'm going to give you a quick tour of the shop. We just moved into this property and it came with this really awesome shop. I'm moving out of my 1-car garage and into, this is kind of like a 3-car garage. But yeah, very nice big shop. Let's take a quick tour. As you can see behind me, we got dartboard set up. We have got my toolbox over there. I've got a nice big workbench right here, ready to go. And yeah, we'll kind of move on from there, right?
Here's the shop. We have 1952 Chevy Deluxe sitting in here. And we've got Einstein, one of the shop dogs. Whoa, good, lay down. Anyways, let's move on. So over on this end, I've got my toolbox. I have the fender skirts for the Chevy. Go down here on the bottom. Toolbox is packed full of tools. Every drawer is full. Wrenches, screwdrivers, pliers. Yeah, it's all full. I gotta get a bigger toolbox. Okay, dartboard, and this is one of my workbenches. Well, I guess I only have the one right now, but I will be building one in the future. This one was left with the home. As you can see, it's a nice big workbench. It has a metal top, drawers. I've got my part storage. This is all just screws and stuff like that. It's a pretty sweet lamp I built a while ago. I have an old carburetor from the Chevy. I didn't need any more, so I thought, hey, make a lamp. Why not? This end here, we have, this is oil storage, oil flammable stuff. It's a metal cabinet. We have the drafting table. We have the other shop dog, slowly walking away. Yeah. On this side here, we have all my power tools. This is filled with my pinstriping paints. That's my wife's RC Jeep that I made a while ago. Got the mini fridge and the recycling right next to it. And yeah, filled. Well, it's not filled, but try to keep enough beer in there for one night. Up above here, we have some drill bit storage, some stuff like that. Farther up, some more tool storage, shop manuals, just kind of stuff thrown everywhere right now, but that's okay. This corner, I have this thing here is an old dresser of my grandma's we're gonna refinish. Down here we've got a cooler, some barnwood. We might be doing a patio cooler with that, don't know quite yet. I've got my Drinko Plinko up on the left. Nice big air compressor to run all the air tools in here. Table saw, that sort of thing. Gonna back up here. This upcoming project here. We're gonna build something pretty medieval, I think. There's shop dog staring at me. It's Rocco, shop dog. It's a good dog. Got some more tools over here. I've got my pressure washer, clean the car with it every once in a while. A really big shop, very nice. I don't know what I'm gonna do with all this room. Eventually I do want to build a big workbench that goes all the way across here, and we're gonna have a dog run on the outside of the house, or the outside of the shop, sorry, and we're gonna probably put a door in here somewhere so the dogs can get in and out through the shop, so I don't have to keep opening this door. Yeah, that's pretty much it. If you guys want to know anything more about the car, tools, whatever, let me know. See you next time.
Shop tour is done. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, anything. If you want to send me a message, go for it. I want to kind of know what you guys like about the video, what you didn't like, and what you want to see about in the future. We're going to do a nice big workbench coming up. some restoration of some old furniture, make a patio cooler. I've got some medieval things gonna happen here with some sharp bladed weaponry. We'll work with the Chevy a little bit too. Just a whole bunch of little stuff. Thank you for stopping by. We'll see you again next time.